This is Ross's $150 Ford Tempo purchase that we're turning into the ultimate off-road vehicle. In this episode, it gets some new headlights and gets a sweet set of fender flares, so let's hop to it. Alright, we're back once again with the Tempo. Ross got yet another box, and we got like an hour and a half till there's a car meet. So we're gonna try to get this situated and take it out and maybe see if anyone wants to give us their thoughts on it. But what's in this box, Ross?
Ooh, we got lights.
Some 6-inch light bars, because fuck these headlights. So, I'm going to leave Jake with the camera, as scary as that sounds, so he can film what you're doing, and I'm gonna go get my drill. Good?
Okay.
So, I'll be back in like 3 hours, because traffic's shit right now.
It's fine.
But a lot of people told us that we should do fender flares, and you know, you read our minds because we're doing some fender flares. So Ross is gonna try and force it to be able to turn some more so he can take it to this car show, because right now it's a straight line hero.
Yeah. Let's see how this fits. Is that 4x113?
Yeah. 114.
Yeah, same thing.
You know what I meant.
Just a little bit of the corner.
Are we still hitting?
Yeah. How do you think it's looking, Ross?
I don't think when I lower it, it's gonna. I think it's still gonna hit.
Alright, so I had to run back to my house, get the drill, and we just weren't entirely prepared. So this isn't going to be making it to the car show tonight, but the Steve is. We're taking out there, and we're looking hella flared over here, aren't we, Ross? That is some grade A gangster shit right there, let me tell you. Look at that, dude. This has got the zip tie, we got the self-tapping screws. There's no better way to do this.
I still can't turn.
Right. Well, you know.
I could turn right.
And we got Ross again. We're at the most heavenly place on the planet. Am I right, Ross?
Yep.
So let's go. Ross had to stop here and get some more body working materials. Or something. Dude, we need a pipe bender.
For
Exhausts. We need that bandsaw too. We need one of everything. Harbor Freight, sponsor us, fam. You got us? Alright, so Ross is going to do some further cutting to try and make the steering steerable. And Justin and I are going to look into the logistics of the headlights. We're going to try and see if it's possible to just mount them in the stock housings, because that'd be kind of funny. The janky ass way. But yeah, so Ross, dude.
what's that?
Well, it's September 1st as we shoot this video.
Yeah.
We've gotten a couple videos ahead, so That's kind of nice. But in 10 days, I turn 21, son.
You do?
Woo! What are we doing?
Well, I don't know what you're doing, but wherever you're gonna be, I'm gonna be drinking. So,
all right.
as long as you're drinking, then
I kind of want to go to the gathering place in Eagle because that place is dope. But I don't want them to be like, weren't you in here like 4 months ago? I'd be like, bitch, what? Nah, dude. I just turned 21. I've never been here before.
they're not gonna know.
They won't. If that old guy's got memory, apparently, so, like most people do, but like better, you know. Just be like, no, I have a brother. Fuck the structural integrity of the frame.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
That shit's gay anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna grab some wire cutters. We're gonna chop this and then use the multimeter to see what's what.
That's not funny.
Alright, so I got this light all wired up, and we already saw it, but we're not gonna show you till I have both of them in. So I'm gonna mount this one up, and then do the next one, and then project light bar headlights complete, and maybe project make this car be able to turn fucking corners will be done.
Seriously.
And then we could watch it drive. What do you want? Hello. How are you? Man, can I do? Man, which one? Can I do the big vanilla?
Will you wait for me if I go grab some money?
Dude, that's still gonna rub quite a bit, but at least you'll be able to turn. You're still gonna have to take pretty wide turns, but semis do it, so fuck them.
Oh.
Alright, so my evil mastermind has come to fruition. What do you think, Ross? How do you think it looks? Alright, let there be light. Holy shit! God damn. That's that'll do it, I think. That ought to be adequate. Go stand up there.
Watch
dude.
it, watch it.
Yeah.
Ready and nighttime!
Good God,
Daytime! Nighttime! Daytime!
dude. Should you roll it up and down the street right quick?
We're gonna see if I can.
It just kind of looks like bright headlights.
Oh, like super bright.
Is it an auto? That's pretty loud.
Nah.
It doesn't sound absolutely shitty though, you know what I mean? Like it sounds alright.
I've heard Hondas that sound worse.
Yeah, it's tolerable. I see you've cut away quite a bit there.
Yeah.
Dope. You think, I mean, it's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass to find a spot to put the flares on the back, but we can figure it out. I was gonna bring some scissors to cut the fucking garden edging with so we could shape them a little bit, but I couldn't find any that would cut them, so we're gonna have to use the angle grinder. Alright, my beautiful fucking craftsmanship shining through once again with these gorgeous ass fender flares, which I have yet to shape, and Ross found the usage point of Harbor Freight blades on Sawzalls. You did a good job there, Ross.
Thanks.
Good investigative work. Proud of you. Great moves. Keep it up.
Okay.
Oh, there's two of them that are warped to fuck just laying around. God damn, you're a madman. Fucking shit right up, Ross. You know, Ross, I'm a firm believer there's a solution to every problem. Ow! Go ahead, close it. Close it, check it out. Boom.
Oh, dude.
Instant flares.
You didn't even know that it was cut.
Exactly. Beautiful.
That's too good, dude.
Now I gotta button up the back end and shit, dude. We only got one more to go. Alright. Fender flares are done. Headlights are done. We're gonna go mob around in this a little bit, but that's gonna be all we do to the car in this video. I'm still pretty proud of this ingenuity over here, I'm not gonna lie. Fender flares that go with the door, come on.
That one turned out really well. My other side.
Yeah, the other side's a little, we'll just say a little off.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
It's fine though, you know, you get the same effect. We're gonna go find him a light so we can turn it into a blinker, and then she's road legal mostly. I mean, yeah,
It'll be legal.
it's fine. Thanks, O'Reilly. Oh, that headlight reflection. Let's see if we can get some wheel grindage. Getting better already. Oh, there it is. That's good. Good shit. Alright. Echo it off the building. Woo! Alright. We got Ross himself a working blinker, sorta. You gotta manually click it, but fuck 'em. It's an orange light and you can make it blink. So that's gonna be the end of this video, finally. Is it like 3 days worth now?
God, dude.
Hit the headlights one more time, just cause, you know, why not?
Bam.
Jesus. If you guys wanna see us off-road this and see what else we have planned for this fucking gnarly looking thing, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to submit your car, the video, to chrisforeverhelp@gmail.com. And we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.